Hello everyone. This is a 30 hours course on rock engineering. My name is Priti Maheshwari. We all know that lot of infrastructure development is taking place in India, especially in hilly regions where the founding material is rock and not the soil. Some of the important projects include Atal Tunnel, Rishikesh Karnaprayag railway line, Konkan Railway project and many more hydropower projects. Because of various uncertainties associated with this engineering material called rocks, the analysis and design of various structures on this material pose different problems. Compared to technical requirement as far as knowledge about rocks and rock masses is concerned, we see that graduating civil engineering students in the country lack the required educational background. So, in an attempt to fill this gap, we thought we could have a course specifically tuned to the students dealing with various aspects related to rock engineering. I have structured this course into several modules, and each of these modules addresses specific topic related to rock engineering. There will be an introductory module, why we should study about rocks and rock masses, their definition along with various field applications. Then we will be talking about various minerals and rock types along with their typical characteristics and their identification procedure. We will also learn about various geological structures such as bedding planes, faults, folds and unconformities. We also need to understand that to deal with such geological structures, we need to present them graphically, which finds applications in analysis of tunnels, slope stability analysis and foundations of various structures. So, we will learn about basic of graphical representation of geological structures which are 3D in 2D planes. Various applications such as determination of line of intersection of two planes, angle between two lines will be explored. We will then learn about the characterization of intact rocks and various laboratory tests. These include determination of physical properties, unconfined compression tests, tensile strength tests, shear tests including direct shear tests, oblique shear tests and triaxial tests, slag durability tests, and then we will learn about the stress strain response of the rocks. Subsequently, I will introduce you to the concept of rock mass and rock quality designation, and then we will learn about engineering classification of rocks and rock masses. We will discuss about D. Ray and Miller classification system, rock mass rating, rock mass quality system, geological strength index. We will also learn about the application of these classification systems. Once we get the idea about the mechanical characterization of rocks and classification of these material, we will learn about the failure criteria for these, which will include Moore failure theory, Moore Coulomb criterion, Hook and Brown criterion, and Barton's theory for jointed rocks. After knowing various aspects related to rocks and rock masses, we will learn about few application areas, and to start with, we will deal with various aspects related to tunneling. This will include various ground conditions, elastic analysis of tunnels, elastoplastic analysis of tunnels, then rock mass tunnel support interaction analysis and design of various support systems. Another application area, that is slope stability analysis, will be explored, where first of all modes of failure will be discussed, followed by limit equilibrium approaches, application of stereographic projections, and remedial measure for slope protection. Last but not the least, we will learn about various aspects related to the analysis of foundations on weak rocks. In this, we will discuss about the determination of bearing capacity of the foundation following various approaches. So, at the end of these 30 hours duration course, a participant of this course should have learned the following. We must understand what is the mineralogical composition of various type of rocks, what are the various geological structures and how to represent them graphically, what are the laboratory tests for characterization of rocks, then what are the classification systems for rocks and rock masses, what are various failure criteria which are relevant to rocks and rock masses, then how to carry out the analysis, elastic as well as elastic plastic, for the tunnels and how to design the support systems for tunnels, how to identify probable failure mode for slopes and how to analyze the slopes under such circumstances. Then how to determine the bearing capacity of foundations on weak rocks. This is going to be an intense but beneficial course for those of you who are passionate about this natural occurring material, rocks. I am looking at a wide range of participants here, from undergraduate civil engineering students to practicing geotechnical engineers. I hope you will enjoy this course. Look forward to a mutually beneficial interaction. Thank you very much.